I was called here today by the Naveli people because they wanted some advice regarding some constructions that are coming up over here in Dongri ward of Naveli. One thing what they brought to my notice is that there's a construction over here where there's absolutely no permissions at all that are given. But the person has put up his sheets and everything, which is absolutely illegal. समज तू permission ना जाल्यार तें सगळें तें करपा जायना. So they brought this to the notice of their panchayat rather. Complaint was put here. All the locals signed and put in a complaint. And the panchayat, it looks like they sent a stop work order. And they've asked for an inspection from the TCP some months ago. But till today the TCP has not come for the inspection. Some of the sheets have been removed, but it looks like work might still be going on over there. Further is ahead, there's another construction that is coming up where there's no proper setbacks that are left. They've shown a 3-meter road. I mean, existing is a 3-meter road, but they are showing that existing is a 6-meter. Over and above that, they've not left setback from the road. If you measure, if you can see, when you go over there, you can clearly see that where the pillar is, if you measure from there to the end of the road, that becomes 6. So actually, there should be setback.
Nancy?
Yeah, the roads are so narrow, there's water scarcity problem, and still so many projects coming up. And the barricades here, they're still not removed. It is so difficult, suddenly someone coming from the opposite side, and we have to really brake. So there could be a cause of accidents. That's another thing. Anything you would like to add?
Yes, Bab Sohail Furtado. It's not that nobody knows Sohail Furtado. He's an influencer on the social media. He takes up really good issues and he does his study well. So today, what people thought of calling him, Bob Roy, by Nancy, many of them, they gave a call and we had this inspection at 8:30, wherein Sohail Bab came and I've seen, inspected the sites. आता सांगला ते भाशेन सोहेलान त्याने पेपर पयला सगळे पयला परमिशन नासतना हांगा फोंडला परमिशन नासतना हांगा कोत्रे घातल्या परमिशन नासतना रस्तो 3 मीटर 100 मीटर म्हणून दाखयला 3 मीटर देखून नासतना आणि जशे
There they have permission.
that I'm talking about this part of the road.
9/15.
Which one?
9/15.
Okay, 9/15. So what I'm saying, this one is, you all have seen, accident prone. सारखं टनाचेर सापड टनाचेर पंचायतीक सांगले सरपंचाक सांगले सरपंचान सांगले आपण ऑर्डर धाडल्या पूण 4 कितें 5 पत्रे काडल्या पळय हांव पोत्तून सांगता दिस इज नॉट अबाउट आमी कोणाच्या पोटार येवपा सोदना तुमचे कडेन एनओसी ना परमिशन्स ना लायसन्स ना नाव सोहेल यू हॅव सीन that license which is put is of 2014.
Yeah, there's one old permission put for this project here. It doesn't look like it's the original
And
one.
we are in 2006 to 2026
26.
and permission of the license
5
is
years.
valid for 5 years. So कोण नाटका कोत्ता कोणाचे इन्फ्लुएन्सात नाचता वी डोंट एनीथिंग आमचे गांव आमकां बरें जाय आनी एक सांगू सोदता कोण मागीर तयार जातात आतां आमचे जायते बिल्डिंग आहात आमी ना म्हणनात बिल्डिंग आहात पयलेचे बिल्डरांनी केला पूण तेणी टँकर हाडून आपले मर्यादा सांबाळून आपले लायसन्स परमिशन सांबाळून केला तुम्ही कायद्यान करात इल्लिगल करू नाकात आणि दुसरें म्हणटा तें आतां बाय नेन्सीन सांगला तेज्या उदकाचे स्कॅर्सिटी आसा हे चोट्टेचेर पडटा उदकाक लागून त्रास जाता ते कोण चिंततलो सो आतां सोहेल बाब इज तो आमकां मार्गदर्शन करता ही विल बी टेलिंग अस हाव टू गो अबाउट एंड वील बी फॉलोइंग वॉट एवर इज सेइंग बट ही हैज टोल्ड that panchayat he has got all the rights, right?
Panchayat can send stop work orders and stop the construction, yes. Looks like they've sent, but they need to follow up.
Exactly.
Order has been sent. I found in what they showed me the file that show cause notice and stop work order has been sent. But I think some follow-ups need to be done.
Thank you.
The voice for Coin.